The Neuralink N1 implant represents a breakthrough in brain-computer interface technology designed to connect human neural activity directly with digital systems through a compact, fully implantable device that restores and enhances communication between the brain and external electronics. Neuralink was founded in California in 2016 with the goal of merging neuroscience and engineering to create advanced brain-computer interfaces. The N1 implant was designed to restore communication and motor function in patients with neurological disorders by directly connecting brain signals to external devices. It operates through ultra-thin electrode threads that record and transmit neural activity, enabling real-time data transfer without the need for external hardware. The fully implantable system is powered wirelessly and communicates securely through Bluetooth technology, offering a seamless and minimally invasive solution for neural signal recording. In May 2023, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration granted Neuralink an investigational device exemption, allowing the first human implantation of the N1 brain-computer interface. The trial, known as the PRIME study, targets individuals with severe paralysis caused by spinal cord injury or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. By early 2024, 2 participants had been implanted, with the first demonstrating successful thought-controlled cursor movement. In May 2025, the FDA expanded Neuralink's clearance by granting breakthrough device designation for its speech restoration system, which translates neural activity into text for patients who have lost the ability to speak due to ALS, stroke, or brain injury. These milestones mark significant progress toward restoring communication and mobility through a fully implantable neural interface. The Neuralink N1 system is made up of 3 main components: the N1 implant, the electrode threads, and the Link wearable module. The N1 implant itself is a coin-sized disc embedded directly into the skull and houses the battery, power electronics, and processor. Extending from the implant are 64 ultra-flexible electrode threads, each about 4 to 6 micrometers in diameter, which connect to regions of the motor and sensory cortex to record and stimulate neural signals. The Link module, positioned behind the ear, serves as a wireless data relay that transmits information between the brain and external devices. Together, these components enable continuous bidirectional neural communication, allowing real-time signal transmission and feedback between the brain and digital systems. Neuralink's system integrates advanced artificial intelligence and deep learning algorithms to interpret neural activity into digital commands. Through adaptive training, the implant continuously refines its accuracy for tasks like controlling a computer cursor or operating prosthetic devices. The system uses closed-loop feedback, meaning it not only sends signals from the brain to a device, but also receives feedback in return, enabling true bidirectional communication. Cloud-based software updates enhance decoding models over time, allowing the implant to become more efficient and precise. These capabilities open possibilities for motor recovery, speech restoration, and other assistive technologies that improve quality of life for patients with neurological impairments. The neural implant uses platinum iridium electrodes to provide high electrical conductivity and long-term stability within neural tissue. Each electrode is coated with polyimide and parylene C, which add flexibility and biocompatibility to reduce irritation inside the brain. The implant is enclosed in a hermetically sealed titanium housing that protects the microelectronics from body fluids while remaining lightweight to minimize mechanical strain on the skull. The carefully engineered material composition helps reduce inflammation and glial scarring, promoting long-term neural integration and reliable signal transmission. The Neuralink N1 implant's electrode materials demonstrate both strong electrochemical and biological performance over time. On the left, the electrochemical performance graph compares smooth platinum iridium electrodes, shown in blue, with high-porosity platinum iridium electrodes, shown in red. After 16 weeks, the porous electrodes maintained higher current density and improved charge transfer efficiency, indicating superior long-term conductivity and stability. On the right, the biological performance chart measures neuron density near the electrode surface. The data show that both electrode types maintain consistent neural integration up to 1 millimeter from the implant site, with minimal tissue degradation or inflammatory response. These results confirm that the N1's electrode design effectively balances electrical efficiency and biocompatibility, ensuring reliable neural interfacing over extended periods. The Neuralink N1 implant is inserted using the R1 robotic surgical system, which performs the procedure with extreme precision. The robot uses micron-scale needles to place each flexible electrode thread while avoiding blood vessels, minimizing trauma to brain tissue. The surgery lasts about 1 hour and is typically done under local anesthesia, with minimal bleeding risk. Once implanted, the N1 device sits flush with the skull, leaving no visible external components. Patients usually recover within 24 to 48 hours, demonstrating the minimally invasive nature of the procedure and the precision of Neuralink's robotic-assisted implantation approach. The Neuralink N1 implant is designed for long-term, low-maintenance operation. The device is wirelessly charged each day using a magnetic charging pad with a typical charge time of about 1 hour. Firmware updates are installed remotely via Bluetooth, allowing performance improvements and security updates without surgery. The internal lithium-based battery has an expected lifespan of 5 to 7 years before replacement is required. Routine neurological checkups help ensure the device maintains stable signal transmission and accurate calibration. Its hermetically sealed titanium housing provides durable protection for the internal electronics, allowing the implant to function reliably for a decade or more under normal conditions. Neuralink stands out with its 1024 recording channels, significantly higher than the 16 channels of the Stentrode and the 96 of the Utah array. In terms of invasiveness, Neuralink requires a moderate surgical implantation into the skull, whereas Synchron's endovascular approach is minimally invasive, and the Utah array demands a full craniotomy. Neuralink also achieves the highest data rate, exceeding 20 megabits per second, allowing more detailed neural signal capture compared to the Stentrode's rate below 1 megabit and the Utah array's approximate 5 megabits per second. The N1 implant's longevity ranges from 5 to 10 years and operates fully wirelessly, while Synchron's system lasts 2 to 5 years with partial wireless transmission, and Utah's design remains tethered. Finally, both Neuralink and Synchron are FDA approved for human use, with Neuralink in active trials and Synchron in early clinical use, whereas the Utah array remains primarily for research without FDA approval. The Neuralink N1 implant demonstrates how advanced brain-computer interface technology can bridge human thought with digital control, paving the way for restored communication and motor function.